Alright guys, I bought some of these LED lights from Walmart. They're actually a really good buy. I think they're just under 20 or right around 20. They got 3 of them, and the only problem with them is they don't make it so you can screw through the light to mount directly into the roof. They want you to hang it with this little doodad kit, and the way that my lights are mounted in here, they're mounted directly to the roof pan. And so I took one of these apart, got it in pieces here, and I'm going to put it back together. But the idea was to see what was in there, make sure I wasn't going to hit some wires that ran down it or something. And all the electronics are at the end with the switch. So if you get these, they're 500 lumen. They tremble a little bit. There's I think a PMW circuit, pulse width modulation circuit. And so they do have some tremble to them. I'll bet you it shows up really bad in video. I'll find out because I'm going to light the shop with them. And if that's the case, then I won't recommend them. If they flicker really bad in digital footage, then I wouldn't recommend them. We'll find out. But I found out there's nothing in there. All the electronics are down at one end and a little tiny circuit board. The interior is empty. So we're going to drill holes through them so that a screw head will fit through, and I can put it in the holes in the back. If you can see, there's holes, and I want to use those to mount into the ceiling. And so I don't want to put a screw in and try to slot it over. I'm going to use these holes, and I'm going to put it up there on a beam. Hopefully my face is in there, and mount it to the ceiling like I would have done any other light. So I'm going to drill the holes. I'll show you guys that real quick. This is what I would call a mod. Get them up there and we'll check them out. So I picked an appropriate sized drill for the head, and I drilled an appropriate size hole that lines up with these guys. Now I'm gonna blow those off. Also, these little tubey guy things pop off real easy, so you want to make sure those are on. Alright, gosh, how retarded. Now we're going to mount them up there. Alright guys, believe it or not, the light is so light compared to old fixtures that I was going to put 2 screws in, and it literally, one was plenty. One of these exterior screws was more than enough. I could barely move it on the ceiling. So there it is installed right there, and there it is on. And this is so you can see how much light it provides. So that's off. And that's on. It's dramatically different. So I would recommend them, like I said, unless there's real flickering for filming purposes. If you're just putting this in a shop for lighting, they're fantastic. Couldn't recommend them more for $20. Walmart for the win. So hope this helps somebody. Talk to you guys later.